Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we are going to be making homemade sloppy joes. So let's get everything prepped and ready, and then the first thing we're going to do is we are going to brown up 1.5 pounds of ground meat, and then once that's done we are going to add a cup of celery, a cup of bell pepper, and a cup of onions. So once that's all ready to go, we'll be right back. So our ground beef is browned. Now we are going to add in our 1 cup of onions, 1 cup of bell pepper, and 1 cup of celery, which we will cook until it's done. And then we'll move on. So back in a few minutes. Okay, so our vegetables are done. So we're going to turn this down a little bit. And to this, we are going to add vinegar, salt and pepper, brown sugar, ground mustard, chili powder, and beef broth. Let's give this a mix real quick. And then now we will add ketchup. Give that a good stir. And then we're going to let this cook down for about 30 minutes on a medium low. So once that's done, we'll be right back. So it's been going for about 35 minutes now, and as you can see, everything's incorporated really nice, got a nice color to it. What I like to do at the very end, I add in about a 1/4 cup of chopped jalapenos, stir that in, and then I turn it off and let it sit for 10 minutes. So when we're back, we'll have our buns toasted and we'll be ready to eat. So see you all in a little bit. Bye.